I'm going to teach you about what is operating system, where we use operating system, why we use operating system, and how many types of operating system. So let's begin with this. Operating system, it means it provides an interface between the user and the hardware to run the application software, isn't it? Suppose that user wants to interact with hardware. Hardware is what? Our computer. Our computer can be easily understand the whatever the user wants to work on our computer, our PC. It provides an interconnection, it provides an interlinked operating system, is providing the interface or providing the environment to run the application software where the user can do some task, isn't it? Suppose that you wants to paint onto the computer. So what you do, what the user can do, user just click onto the taskbar, go into the menu and goes into the accessories. After that it goes into the paint and just do whatever the he wants, isn't it? So what, in that section, paint is our application software. Suppose that paint is an application software, really paint is an application software, but what, paint can easily run onto a hardware directly? No, it it wants something, it wants some environment to run onto the hardware. So operating system is one thing, only it provides or it run the application software whatever you want, whatever types of tasks you wanted to do onto our computer is all done by the application software, and that application software is running on operating system, and then that operating system is done, is running, is creating an environment to run the hardware, isn't it? So that user can do the task whatever he wants to do into the our operating system, into our PC, via the help of operating system. So let's begin with this. How many types of operating system? What is the history of operating system? Basically, operating system firstly designed by the Microsoft, and the first based operating system was MS-DOS. In 1998 it is came, and in that that is Windows 3.0, and then after 98, 2000 XP, Vista, Win7,